Right. Hey everyone, very good morning. A warm welcome to RPA Vault UiPath trainings. I have started this recording for the future references. Okay. So many people are still joining. A warm welcome everyone again. So in this batch, we are going to learn about RPA UiPath, Microsoft Power Automation Cloud Desktop, and the trending topic in UiPath, which is the Agentic Automation. Okay, so before that, first let me introduce you all myself. And before that, I am requesting you all to put your mobile phones in silent mode, or maybe you can turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and please concentrate on the session. I hope everyone joined from laptops. If anyone joined from mobile phone, that's fine. If you're joined from laptop, please turn off your mobile data in your mobile phone. Okay, because this 1.5 to 2 hours of session definitely make some impact. What you are going to learn from RPA Vault, what I'm expecting from you, what you can expecting from me in the coming 45 days. Okay, right. Everyone able to hear me clearly? It's audible, right? Please respond someone. Ajay,
Yes,
Aniket.
yes, we can hear.
Right. So here, how many of you looking for the job change or you want to looking for the job, guys? Please raise your hands. Okay. So here, many people join with different backgrounds. Some are already working professionals. Some are yet to, kickstart their careers in IT industry. Some are working on some non-technical, non-IT background. Some are, they're very scared in terms of writing the lines and lines of coding. So for all of them, there is a one-stop solution, which is RPA tools. Because in this RPA, you no need to write any lines of code. It's a simple drag and drop automation tool, which means already they have written the code, okay, and they have converted that lines of code into activities. We just need to use those activities to implement these automations. Okay. So first, let me introduce you all myself. So myself, Raghava Tadikonda. So my native place is Vijayawada. My complete education, I have done my post graduation MCA in the year 2014, and then I have started my career in 2014 as a Java developer in Capgemini in Bangalore location. And after 3 years of experience in Java, I got this opportunity to learn this RPA UiPath tool internally. I got trained directly from UiPath at that time. And after that, I switched from Capgemini to the company called KPAT Technologies, which is an automotive company, wherein I am the pilot batch. I'm the first RPA developer joined in that company. That's where, I got many opportunities to explore the subject, to interact with the clients directly, to prepare the demonstration, to demonstrate the POCs, proof of concept, giving some demos to the new clients, getting the engagements. So that's how, I got more interest on this learning in that 2017-18 times. And after that, again, I moved to Birlasoft as a senior associate consultant in Pune location. I moved to Pune after 3 years in Bangalore. In Pune, I worked with Birlasoft, and then again I moved to Infosys as a level 5 consultant. And then I got opportunity to work with Signity Technologies, and again I shifted to Hyderabad. And after I joined in Signity, after 2 years of time, again now I'm working in Coforge as a technical lead. Coforge actually, acquired Signity, so now we all are part of Coforge as a technical lead. So I am working as an RPA UiPath technical lead along with Center of Excellence team. I'm into part of a Center of Excellence team. What is Center of Excellence? I'll explain in the coming classes. So in this complete eight plus years of automation journey, I have like certified in UiPath along with Automation Anywhere and Pega OpenSpan and Microsoft Power Automation. And above all this, I am a professional certified trainer. I am the only certified trainer from Andhra and Telangana regions, especially from Hyderabad. I have completed more than 45 plus certifications in UiPath, along with UiPath Academy free certifications, and in terms of even paid certifications also, like associate exam, developer professional, business analyst, solution architect, and even I'm planning to complete the specialized AA professional. And today, one more exam got scheduled at 11 a.m. today, which is Agentic Associate Automation exam. So my complete journey of this automation from long back, wherein I started these trainings with one person in 2018, almost 7+ years of teaching experience, trained so far 20,000 plus students, guys. So wherein I got multiple opportunities to collaborate with colleges, to collaborate with real corporate environments, and trained for freshers, and like these one-on-one trainings every day. So every month I used to start a new batch, wherein I trained colleges, different colleges, like in Kammam I have trained Priyadarshini College. In recently I got opportunity for at Shimoga there is a college called PES College, wherein I trained for the college final year students for almost 120 plus students. And I have trained for the Tamil Nadu college students of 17,000 students for completely 90 days for the complete semester for them. So that's where I got with that completion of the successful project, we got recognized as a UiPath Certified Trainer Award. So with all this teaching experience, I have prepared a beautiful content that what we have to give the best to the students, and what they're expecting from us, what I can give you, what is the difference between our trainings to other trainings. So prepared this beautiful content for all of you guys. So nowadays, if you observe, nobody is, teaching all this together. Your path, Power Automation, Automation Cloud, Automation Desktop, and this agentic. Nobody will integrate all this together. But when you don't have the job, even if you are like working in a non-technical where you have full of commitments, 15,000, 17,000 paying is not a small thing, right? And even only learning your path some amount, and again you have to pay some amount on Microsoft Power Automation, because nowadays only learning your path also may not be helpful, because companies are expecting like anything. In interview they're asking you, other than your path, what else you know. Nowadays for this RPA your path tool, the most competitive tool in the market is Power Automation, because all our applications, whatever you're using in the real time, that all the applications are owned by Microsoft. So now Microsoft, why don't I come into the market? So they are coming up with very low prices, with low prices. The licensing cost is very less compared to UiPath. That's why all the companies and clients are migrating to Power Automation from UiPath. But still, there is so much of scope for UiPath as well. They are migrating from UiPath to Power Automation. Again, they are coming back from Power Automation to UiPath, because they don't have that much of features what we have existing in UiPath. That's why, I am teaching all this together at same place in our RPA world. UiPath, Power Automation Cloud, and Desktop and Agentic Automation. Hey Raghu, how can you cover all these in 30 days? So guys, our complete batch duration is 45 days, which means Monday to Friday, total 6 weeks of program. 6 into 7, 42 days. So 42 to 45 days. In that one, every Monday to Friday, we have the session, which means 6 weekends. We don't have the session on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, it's completely for your practice and learnings. So altogether, you will get 30 to 33 classes. Monday to Friday, every day class will start from morning 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. 2 hours of session, guys. Generally, anywhere if you go into the market, you will have only 1 hour of online session generally, right? But in our RPA world, I'll give you the training on 2 hours for 2 hours. Okay, so total 30 classes means 30 into 2, 60 hours of content you will get, more than 60 hours. So in this one, coming first 25 days will be on completely UiPath. UiPath. After that, in the remaining 5 classes, I'll teach you all, taking the mock interviews, preparing the resume, how to convert your non-IT background resume to UiPath technical, how many projects we should mention, how to divide your experience into your path and non-technical, and creating Naukri profile, creating LinkedIn, and then Microsoft Power Automation Cloud 1 session, desktop 2 sessions, Agentic Automation 2 sessions. I'm not like saying completely end to end I will teach this Power Automation, because already you're spending good amount of time in learning your path. Then it will be very easy for all of you to learn, to understand Power Automation. Believe me, trust me. Okay, so Raghu, how about this? So like that, I prepared all this content with this, structure, and the course duration will be 45 days, and the course cost will be, guys, 16,999, which means 17,000. And so with my experiences, like, worked with different industries like healthcare, banking, retail industries, logistics, HR domains, and oil and gas industries, and finance, telecom, marketing. So different industries I worked with so far. One second, guys. Someone is pinging. Yeah, Ashwini, you joined the session. Okay. And implemented different automations like Excel automation, web automation, desktop automation, image automation, PDF, Citrix, integrated with different ERP applications like ServiceNow, SAP, Oracle, mainframes, and integrated with different ticketing tools like ServiceNow, Salesforce. So these all are my professional and teaching career experiences, guys. Okay. Any questions, anyone so far? Right. Maximum, I will try to cover each and every doubt, whatever you have in you, as you all are from different backgrounds, different time zones. Okay. So if you observe regarding the structure, so guys, this is our official website, rpavault.com. So if you go and click on this RPA your path, it can help you in taking the curriculum, course details, curriculum, about myself, and the demo sessions, previous demo sessions. Okay, so if you go and click on curriculum, so today is the first demo class, right? Which is a free demo session. Today I'll help you in explaining about introduction of RPA, what are the different tools, overview of RPA, RPA versus testing, different automations, different industries, and different tools. Hmm. And in tomorrow's session, Rajanu, tomorrow's session, I'll help you in explaining what will be your roles and responsibilities after you join in a company, what you have to do, why we are calling as a consultants, RPA consultants, why not software engineers, and what companies are expecting from you after joining a company, what you have to do when you join in the company. Okay, so all these all these things we'll discuss in the tomorrow demo session. So first, today and tomorrow free demo sessions, guys. From Friday our actual sessions are going to start, which means from 26th. So today 24 and 25 morning 8 to 10 a.m. demo session. From day after tomorrow, Friday 26th, our actual session going to start, which is from morning 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So once class completed, immediately you will get the recording within 15 minutes of time. You will get the recording automatically. Okay. From class 3, we can help you in your path setup installation, Microsoft Power Automation Cloud, Power Automation Desktop, agents and all. Completely the first actual session completely in terms of downloading the infra setup. Okay. And then even all these RPA tools are professional certified tools. You have to do some certifications. So how to do certifications? Those all are free only. You don't need to pay anything. Which one is mandatory? Which is recommended? Everything will start in the first day itself. So that by end of the session, you guys can able to complete some certifications as well, because we have to put those certifications in your resume. Then only recruiters will consider your profiles, because all these RPA tools are professional certified tools. If you're a professional certified developer, then only recruiters will consider your profile and you will get more weightage in your resume. Okay. And then we'll start with very basic classes like what is UiPath Studio, what is Robot, what is Orchestrator, which is traditional automation. And then we'll start with very basic classes like variables, arguments, input and output methods. And then we'll start with Excel automation, workbook automation, data table activities, action center, what are the selectors, UA automation, string manipulation, word automation, PDF automation, database, email, control flows, loops, exception handling, object repository, modern design activities, automation hub, and document understanding. Even I have not included some more topics like API automation. Okay. And then regular expressions. And then so far, we will discuss all the basic concepts, guys, here, starting up to 16 to 17 classes. And then we'll go to the advanced topics, which is orchestrator, classic and modern design folders, what are assets, what are triggers, how to deploy robots, what is attended and unattended bot deployment, upload and download code from orchestrator, and RE framework overview, and RE framework with queues, without queues, dispatcher, performer bots, and global exception handler, and how the real-time project works, and real-time documentation, how it looks like, by showing you all the template of the real-time projects, end-to-end real-time project code explanation, and couple of projects using this RE framework template. Okay. And Microsoft Power Automation, cloud desktop, and mock interview session, resume preparation, guidance, interview questions, sharing so much of sample resumes, so much of interview question PDF samples, more than 500 pages of interview questions. Okay. And along with agentic automation. So this is about the curriculum, guys. And even not only, some of the concepts not updated here, even I'll try to cover those concepts as well. Right. And so these are all the different topics I'm going to cover, and special guidance for uh, freshers and non-IT students, like how to use the Teams, how to get you started using GitHub repository. Okay, basic chat GPT usage, how to how to give the prompt, how to write the prompt for better results, and self introduction. And in interview, so many people facing the challenges here ago. We took the training from you, but we are not able to clear the system test and scenario based questions and the project explanation. So with all those collection of feedbacks, even we are giving the training in explaining one project end to end, like in terms of documentation, in terms of each and every point in that project. Because in interview, the first question they'll ask you, what is your recent project worked on this UiPath, and what are the challenges you faced in the project? What is a critical project you have delivered so far, and how you overcome the challenges? So all these questions will rise. Okay, so one session completely related to your project explanation. Okay. And self introduction also, some people even doesn't know, lack of communication and English. We can help them even explaining how to prepare yourself self introduction template also. resume preparation, interview questions, mock interview, multiple mock interviews, how to use Outlook application, and how to send and receive the emails, how to create the meetings, how to join the meetings, and all non-technical. Okay, and here Raghu, how many people generally join your sessions? So guys, maximum 15 to 20 people will join my sessions. So Raghu, how you will take care of one-on-one? So even I have a team. Okay, I have my colleague and brother Ravi and Kumar. So these couple of guys will work completely for dedicatedly with passionate. They came before, and they they showed they showed the interest that hey Raghu, we want to work you with you, and even we want to help the students kickstart their careers. We want to give our time with for them. So in the morning 2 hours our session, for example 20 people join the sessions. Okay, I will create it 5 different teams with 4 members per team. 5 teams, 5 into 4, 20 members. And each and every team I will assign a team lead, and I will create a separate team for every 4 members, and I'll assign one team lead who are already working professionals. And then whatever the tasks I'm assigning every day. For example, today we discussed Excel automation. First 5 6 classes we may not have any tasks, but from Excel automation, web automation, I will start assigning some tasks as well. Okay, so that you can connect with your team together, and you guys can practice, and you guys can learn. And if still you guys are not able to complete, our team Ravi and Kumar will be there. You guys can post in the group, and they will connect with you all in the evening in their available time, half an hour or 1 hour. They will post, hi all, let's connect if you have any questions, so that your practice is also happening, and even if you have any doubt session also happening separately. By end of the day, you guys will attend 2 hours of less classes, and 2 hours on certification part, so that you guys will complete and make professional certified developers by end of the session. And even you guys will get some hands-on experience also, because you have to do some system test also guys to crack the interview on your path. All interviews are virtual, okay, but in interview, at end of interview, some or maximum 90 to 95% all companies will ask you to do some system test also. You have to clear the test.
What would be the max packages we can expect, like according to the structures or any experienced persons
So
into this?
how many years of experience you have?
Let's say if
Depends
I
on
have,
experience. No, 5 years.
yeah,
So
man,
guys,
five
it's a good
packages
question.
or
So
less than.
generally, why companies are paying high packages for RPA consultants? Even though Java, .NET, Python developers are there, even they are also not getting that much of package. Why companies are paying high salary jobs for these RPA consultants? So generally, if you have 5 years of experience, your package might be 10 to 12 lakhs or less than 10 lakhs also. It depends. It's not like the same for everyone. So on an average, if
Let's
you
say
take 10 lakhs,
I have 10 years hands-on in any streams. Okay, and I have genuine experience. That too. I work with MNCs, like how you work with.
your voice is not that much good, RK. Can you please put your mic near to the mouth and
So
please
yeah,
repeat?
using my Bluetooth. Sorry for.
Now it's fine. Now it's good. Yeah,
Okay, thanks for that.
please ask
Thanks for
me.
that.
Hmm.
Sorry to disturb you in this meantime. So my question is where, let's say I have 10 years experience in my skill metrics, where I come up with in HR recruitment, let's say core HR. I used to work on
Non-technical,
HRIS portal,
non-IT.
interviewing the consultants and segregating and
Yeah, yeah, understood.
putting
Hmm.
assignments and later, issuing ID cards and onboarding
Hmm.
offshore, onshore
Hmm.
allocations and RNRs, all this stuff.
Okay.
So I had a chance to work on few uh, applications where my team was implementing any of the ATS or any company protocols or company product, maybe. Like, have you worked on this? any
Yeah, understood. You please
um,
come to the point. Okay.
so can we, if I have 2 years genuine experience, can I project as in like 10 years or 8 years, and can we expect more than 20 lakhs, something like that, or what?
So it depends on your current CTC. For example, you have 10 years
Mhm.
experience, but how about your
Mhm.
current CTC? So it's
Mhm.
a different picture for
Yeah, I
who
have
are
in
going
papers.
to
Let's say I have
start
papers
their.
in
Hmm.
11 LP or 12 LPA.
Ha.
Can we trigger that up to at least double? Can I do it double, putting this all
Yes.
efforts,
Yes.
or how it goes? I
You
mean,
can
at least we
expect the
can
double.
match it,
Hmm.
or at least we can match it with, as per the experiences, like how developers or how this RPA consultant call us. Okay, if we talk in US market, that is something different where people need to pay at least an hour or monthly. It isn't, depends. If we can put it across our all efforts, and we can able to get any client for our prospective needs, possibly we can all together work in a one flow, and at least we can at least
See,
generate
that is
revenue
different. Okay,
then and
listen,
there.
listen, listen, relax, listen. Okay, so I understand your point. See, it's all
Okay.
different pictures here. One people already working on non-IT, wherein having more than 10 plus years, they are already withdrawing some package where they have already PF account, where they have already pay slips. It's called complete different picture. So, for
Hmm.
example, let's consider there is a guy who having 10 plus years experience and the package is 10 lakhs. Now, hey Raghu,
Okay.
can I expect 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs? Yes, you can. But when you crack interview, wherein you have to create that much of confidence in the interview that I know everything, I can do like anything. So when you will get that much of confidence, when you get practice, when you do hands-on experience, when you attend all the sessions and spend more and more time only on learning your path, whatever the topic is in and whatever the task in giving in interview, you have to do that. When you are like not in able to do that
Of course,
situation,
we'll
how you
learn that
can
thing, and we'll try to, with
then
your help, with your team
ha
help, Ravi
ha
and all,
yeah.
we'll learn that thing, right? I mean, that's the
Huh.
reason we're trying to
So there
join this
you can
section, right?
expect directly, you cannot expect like 100%, 20 lakhs. What we can do, you can expect 14, 15 first. And once you get the counter offer, once you get any offer letter, with that counter,
It's
you can
okay.
ask
We can,
20.
let's
Yeah.
say, I mean, I can also negotiate where, if it, since this is IT chance, if it is really happening, possibly if we clear the interviews first round, level one, level two, with the help of you or with help of my or any efforts. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
By at least God's grace, this Dasara, may God, Durga Bhavani can help anyone us, right? If we
Right.
wish it. So at least people negotiate where I don't want 10 lakhs. Okay. I'm good with 5 lakhs, or I'm good with 6 lakhs or 3 lakhs, but at least it should be matching to performance. Can we increase in 3 months or 1 year down the line to match that perspectives?
Yes, yes, RK, correct. You can. So it's all how much, in the starting, many people will join, will come up with many aspirations, but day by day, slowly, they will deviate and they may not show that much interest. So it's all once you
Interest.
guys
Part
completed
of the
at
game.
last session, then we can discuss again about all these things. I definitely help you all to give my level best to get you the best packages. And why companies are paying that much of salary, why we are
Do you
calling as a
have
consultant.
happening stories, real time stories?
Yes, many.
Sounds good.
So, so with all these multiple experiences, what I can say, definitely I'll give my level best to all you to get the best packages. But why they should give you best packages? For that, what you have to do is the most important thing, right? So that
That's
all
what. That's what.
we'll discuss in the tomorrow's session about your
And I really
expectations
respect your
and roles and
experiences. Sorry to
responsibilities.
interrupt you, Raghava Garu. I really respect your experience, what you come up with so far in this RPA. And you
Hmm,
come up with 40 plus certifications, which is like,
hmm.
wow. 40
Mm.
certifications, which means at least for one certification, we need to put some hours to learn or to crack that live
Yeah.
or assignment what in the tools,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
People in company, people paid for that.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
we'll
if you
discuss. This demo session is going on. Okay, we'll have this discussion at end of the session because many people are waiting or to start the actual session. Okay,
many people
sorry to
they're
interrupt
not
you.
discussing anything.
They'll discuss. Just now started no session. Right, guys. So let me share my screen. Is it visible? So this is about the course curriculum and daily tasks and tracking the progress, guys. So what does it mean? Here, Raghu, so total many people joined. So how do you know, how can you track every day students are joining or not? Okay, so for that, we have created an application wherein it can help us in giving the, 1 second. Hmm, right. So guys, once you join the session, automatically your attendance will be recorded. For example, this is the latest batch, August batch. If you open this site, today morning also we have the session. So 24/9. So these many absentees are there. So total, how many students are there? And every day, if you join, automatically your attendance will be recorded. See, only one session attended, only one session. This guy, 27 classes. She attended 30 sessions completely. So even they don't even ask me, hey Raghu, I have just attended 7 sessions, but they're expecting the job.
Oh my God.
Okay, and this is for attendance, guys, and this is the certification. Every day, whatever you are practicing, you can upload your certifications here so that I can easily track your progress. How many students completed, how many certifications, and what is your name, certification name, and you can upload here. Okay, and coming to the projects, you can upload all your projects, whatever you are practicing every day. Okay, and these are the different important links wherein to access the recordings, to join the daily sessions and resumes, projects and all. Let me share you that my ongoing like a previous batch, which I have started on August 6th. So this is the August batch and now this is September batch, which we started today. And this batch is currently going now, the last class. So here in the files, the recordings, guys. Okay, so class one, which is the same like demo, first demo, and class 2 second demo, and class 3 4 5, which I have told setup, download, studio explanation, part 1 part 2, variables, arguments, input methods, output methods, and class 9 input dialog box activities, selectors, class 10 11 12. Okay, like this you will get recording automatically wherein you are the only person can able to access the recordings. Okay, so class 29 yesterday and today's class is ongoing. And now in terms of this content, what is the content I'm going to give you to get the interview, to crack the interview? So this is the, so guys, this is total 140 pages of document. Okay, where in total we segregated into 22 different topics. Okay, we'll start with very basics like what are the different control flows to attend interview. Before interview, you can please get some theoretical knowledge completely, directly from your path. Nowhere you will get this kind of, you know, uh, documentation for the theoretical. learning purposes. So what is sequence, what is flowchart, each and every topic, common string methods, input methods, output methods, selectors, dynamic selectors, wildcards, anchors, UI activities. Okay. So see here, input methods, output methods. So each and everything we documented. So this kind of content you will get. This is one of the 140 pages of document, and wherein here these are all the different sample projects for your practice purposes. More than 10 projects I'll give you to get some hands-on experience. And these are the document understanding. Each and every step I have explained here, and document understanding brochure and different sample invoices for practice purpose. And this is the case study and interview questions. Another some more interview questions. Okay. So total 110 pages of interview questions here also. Like that, so much of content I'll give you. And these are the real-time project documentation, like how the BRD looks like, how the SDD looks like, how the exception handling document looks like. Okay, what are the different best practices, interview questions, and case studies, and even I'll give you some dumps also for the certification exams. You know, right, in market there are like professional certification exams are there. So I can give you in some sample, some dumps also to get cleared your certifications. Okay. So along with this, even I'll give you um, right. See here, interview questions, projects, and resume email template, that what is the subject you have to put, what is the body, and how to upload, and how to prepare this the sample template, and recruiter emails. What is this recruiter emails? So you took training from me, completed 45 days of training, and you prepared yeah. So you guys done with the certification training and all, now started looking for opportunities. Okay, created Naukri and simply looking for the opportunities from Naukri, but you're not receiving any calls. So better than that, what we have done, I have created a page with the company, our company name called RPA Vault. Okay. So if you go through my page, wherein I have posted more than 2000 to 3000 opportunities so far. It's a never ending process. It's every day. I used to upload minimum 10 to 15 jobs across the globe, in India, outside India. Okay. So as I have told you, this is my professional LinkedIn network name, Raghava Tadikonda. You can find out me here, company working as a technical lead, and I'm a professional certified trainer, and I'm a community speaker for Hyderabad chapter. And even I got rewarded as a UiPath top key contributor from Hyderabad chapter. So I completed this associate, developer, professional, business analyst, solution architect, and specialized AI associate exams. And I'm into part of Center of Excellence. And here, if you observe, so these are a lot of my companies where I have worked on, where I worked: Capgemini, KPIT, Berlosoft, Infosys, Signity, and Coforge. And this is our company, RPA Vault. Professional trainings and job prospects where more than 3,500 plus followers. So if you observe, for example, let me open my first recent post. Latest job updates. Please share your resume at nityo.com. They are looking for RPA developer, location US. RPA developer, remote position. Looking for 6+ years. This is the mail ID. Automation anywhere. RPA developer, Pune location, finance domain, mail ID. Like that, in our page itself, please post anything relevant for freshers. So in our page itself, wherein you have more than 3000 to 4000 plus recruiter email IDs are there. Okay, Raghu, those jobs are already previous and old jobs. How can we share? No worries, you can share. Nothing wrong in sharing your about your profile that you are looking for a job change. Maybe as of now they don't have the requirement. Maybe after 10 days or 15 days, or if any of the friends, colleagues on their other companies, if they're looking for, definitely you might take a chance to share your profile with them, right? So that's how these are all the different job openings along in our LinkedIn page. Even if you observe, these all are my official WhatsApp groups, wherein total these groups are filled with all my students, total 120,000 members plus. I am the admin and my team Kumar is admin. These are all the students who learned UiPath from me from last 7-8 plus years. So if you observe, created this group dedicatedly for my students who learned UiPath from me and for the job seekers. So even I used to post all my success stories and job openings for in here also. But if you join now, you cannot able to access all my previous job postings, right? That's where, to not make it happen, we created this page and we are even pasting from our LinkedIn page as well. Okay. So that's how I got like rewarded as a key contributor. I am giving like many things, many suggestions to the people who wants to kickstart their careers, by taking training from me and sharing multiple opportunities that people are keep on applying for opportunities and they are getting settle down in their careers. So I do have, out of these 17,000, 20,000 plus students trainings, more than 550 to 600 plus students got settled down in their careers in multiple companies in multiple locations. Many success stories, guys. Okay. So this is about what I'm going to give the teach give the content to all of you. And these are the recruiter emails, even some of my students. So this is the self introduction template, and these are the different recruiters email addresses which I have received from multiple students. And resumes also, resumes, sample resumes. Okay, there is a zip file here. And quiz questions. So whatever the academy certification you are going to attempt, these quiz questions can help you in taking attending the exam. And these are all the HR emails list, RPA resumes. See, like this, many resume sample templates I can give you, wherein you can use those templates and you can prepare your resumes. Okay, right. Like that, all these emails, resume samples, RE framework, sample projects, UiPath documentation, like different materials I have prepared for all of my students. So all this, content I am going to share with all of my students. Okay, right. Now, so let's start. So what is this we are going to learn, guys? Why you have all joined my session to learn this concept called robotic process automation, right? That is a full form. So what is the meaning of robot? What is the meaning of process? What is the meaning of automation? So guys, generally, what you guys think immediately, what is the meaning of robot means? You guys will think like it is a physical robot, right? But our RPA robots are not physical robots. It's just a software. It's just a piece of code where we are going to install in our laptops and desktops. Okay. So I want to show you all my UiPath robot in my machine. Robot is nothing but nowadays we are calling as an assistant. Assistant means whatever I am telling, it have to do. They have to do, right? So that's why they renamed that RPA robot to assistant. So guys, this is my assistant where I have installed in my laptop. With the help of this assistant only, I am going to automate the processes. Okay. So whatever you are thinking, the robot means immediately physical robots, right? So wherein you can see these kind of robots, where you will see, guys, in manufacturing industries, in restaurants, in hospitals, in hotels, right? But our robot is not a physical robot, guys. Our robot is just a software which we cannot see our robot. Got it? It's just a piece of code. Now, what is the meaning of a process, guys? What is the meaning of process? See, these are all my processes. If I go and just click on this run button, automatically the program will start, will run. Okay. This is my assistant where I have prepared already trained so many processes, manual processes. With the help of this assistant, I'm going to run these processes. Okay. So it's just a piece of code going to install in our machines. You cannot touch or feel it. It's not a physical bot. Okay. Right. What is the meaning of a process, guys? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of a process? What kind of processes we can automate?
Day-to-day repeated works.
Yeah. So generally, what is the meaning of a process, guys? Some set of rules, some set of rules, which means, right, which means in our day-to-day life also, we are doing so many processes, guys. For example, booking a train ticket in IRCTC application and transferring some online payment from your account to your friend's account, booking a product in Amazon, Flipkart, withdrawing some money from ATM machine. There are some rules are there. If you perform all those rules, then only you can able to complete that process, right? Otherwise, you cannot. To book a train ticket, what are all details we need, guys? What are the prerequisites? First of all, you should have the IRCTC account. You should know what is the source address, destination address, type of journey, time of journey, class of journey, right? There should be available ticket. You should have to make the payment. You should have the money in your net banking. You should have proper debit and credit card. You should have proper mobile network should be there to receive the OTP. Like in all these things, if you don't have any one information, you cannot able to book the ticket. So there are like some set of rules to complete your process, right? Transfer the amount. You should have your net banking first of all. You should have the receiver's account details, have IFSC code, and you should have to add the beneficiary. You should have amount. You should have all these things, right? So in our day-to-day life itself, you are doing so many repetitive tasks. Booking ticket from you for me is same. Transferring for you for me is same. In the same way, in software industry also, there are like so many processes which are currently working on by support people. What they are doing generally, they're just going to the office. They're just going to the office, connecting to the client network, and getting the input data, what they have to process, and where they have to process, and processing that input data on the client information, client applications, and preparing the report, and they're sending the report to the client. Every day they are doing the same task. No challenging thing, no challenging thing. Opening the company network, logging into the network, and copying the input data, processing the data, sending the report. It's like no development, no challenges, nothing. They're not going to develop something new. They're not creating any new. For all such kind of people, whoever doing such kind of repetitive manual tasks, with the help of these robots, with the help of these robots, we can replace those people with the help of these robots. Understood? That's where this RPA tools came into the picture long back. Maybe in past you might have already heard about these dialogues words, no, from your friends and families. Hey, in future, definitely everywhere robots will come, all our jobs will be gone. This is like one of the starting point only, guys. This is what exactly about, because they are just doing the repetitive tasks. Nowadays, we don't need human beings to perform such kind of repetitive manual tasks. We can replace those people with the help of this RPA bots, wherein it's related to artificial intelligence, AI and ML we're using here. So that, for example, there are like 10 people doing the same repetitive job every day from last 10 years. Now what we can do, we can just replace those 10 people with one robot. Then what will happen? Companies will save 10 full-time employees salary. They are just investing some money on robot license, that's it, and some investment on UiPath consultant, that's it. And even another advantage is what, guys? Time saving. Human beings will work for maximum 8 to 9 hours or 10 hours per day, right? But how much of time robots can work, guys? Robots can work for 24 by 7, right? So main thing is here cost cutting and time saving. Back and keep on the processes are running. Human beings are taking almost, to complete one process, for example, they are taking 1 to 2 hours of time. The same 2 hours of time will take by the bot, it will complete in less than 5 to 10 minutes of time. So you can imagine, you can calculate how much of time and money we can save these RPA bots. That's why every company nowadays looking for automation. They don't want to spend so much of money, on the human beings, wherein they are keep on doing the same repetitive manual tasks. Okay, so that's how this robot and process set of rules. Automation, guys. What is the meaning of automation? Mimicking the user actions. What does it mean, guys? What does it mean? Mimicking the user actions means whatever the human beings are doing, our robots will do the same actions. Opening application, copying the data, log into the application by entering username, password, making some arithmetical calculation, understanding the business process, right? So with all this together, we can say the definition, with the help of a robot, we are going to mimicking the user actions. What kind of actions? There are some processes, some set of rules. With the help of these robots, we can able to automate the repetitive manual tasks, wherein you can save so much of time and money for the clients. Okay. So guys, in this RPA, we have more than 50 plus tools are available in the market. Okay. In this one, the top trending tools are UiPath, Power Automation, Cloud and Desktop, Anywhere, Blue Prism, Cofax, Melia, Antworks. Okay. TrueBot. So like this, guys, we have more than 50 plus tools are available in the market. Okay, Raghu, then why should we learn only UiPath? Why not Blue Prism? Why not Cofax? Or why not TrueBot? How about opportunities, guys? You can learn, but how about opportunity? Job opportunity should be there, no? And guys, this is one of the easiest and best tool and the top trending tool and the top successful tool out of all these 50 tools. If you want, you can do some research also. Okay, for example, what is the top RPA, best RPA tool in the market now? So I see there is no single best RPA tool, but UiPath is consistently recognized as a market leader due to its comprehensive platform, user-friendly, robust scalability. See, directly it is telling you, right? And even if you see, if you know this Gartner report, wherein they will keep on releasing all the reviews and feedbacks on each and every technology. So what they're telling you, first one, UiPath. Okay, second one, Automation Anywhere. Third one, Blue Prism. Fourth one, TrueBot. Okay, Power Automation, Automation Edge, Appian, IBM, Rocketbot. So many tools are there, guys. Right. And how about opportunities? So if you're learning something, there should be some jobs, no? So if you go to the Naukri, and let's search for the job. Okay, your path experience, for example, 3 years, Bangalore. So see, 209 jobs available, active jobs are there. For example, if you add something Bangalore, if you add some keywords, you'll get more results. Okay, let's search for Hyderabad. Okay, so out of these 220, at least one job should be there, no guys, for you. So every day, even I'm also now looking for a job change. Every day I'm spending at least half an hour to 1 hour of time. Every day I'll keep on open and then just keep on apply. Algonox, Tech Mahindra, Global Enterprise Infotech, Magellanic, IT Mind Services, Product, Fuji. See, these many jobs are there. So you guys can even do the same search for other tools. And this is tool is like one of the best and easiest tool to learn. And even this automation engineer is also one of the easiest tool you can learn even in 15 days also. But after learning, how about the job? You should get the job, no guys. And this is like all professional certified tools, guys. And another advantage is it's completely open source application. What is meaning of open source? Which means free of cost. You can download and install and learn this tool for free of cost. If you want to learn Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, on any other tools, you have to pay some amount to download the software. But now in this machine, see, I have installed this laptop for free of cost, this application. See in the down, you can see community edition, community license, which means free of cost. Okay, right. Yeah, Kyle, I think you raised your hand. Sorry. You have any question?
No, Venkat.
Yeah, thank you. So guys, feel free if you have any doubts, any question in between, please feel free to ask, or else you can raise your hand. I'll give opportunity to unmute and you can talk. Okay. Right. Okay. So by end of this courses, you will be professional certified and you can download and install and learn and get some hands-on experience on this UiPath tool for free of cost along with Power Automation Cloud and desktop. Okay. So as I have told you, what are the different advantages, guys? Why companies are looking for implementing this automation? Okay, the first and foremost is cost cutting, which means they can save the money instead of investing the money on the human beings who are doing the repetitive manual task for on the same task from long time. Got it? And they can save money and no errors. Guys, when human beings are doing, might be doing some mistakes, but when robots are doing the tasks, it won't do any mistake, no errors. You can expect 100% results. You can expect 100% results. Okay, cost cutting, saving money, no errors. You can expect 100% results, guys. And increasing the productivity, because as of now you are working only 9 hours per day. Robots are working for 24 by 7, and you're working on the same task 1 hour, and it is able to complete less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes. See how much of time you can save. With one robot only, you are saving this much of time and money. You can robot clients can purchase hundreds of robots based on the requirement. So you can imagine how much of time and money they are saving, right? So these are all the advantages, guys. That's why companies, people are looking for the RPA developers like anything. They have so many projects in the pipeline. But but even nowadays also, out of 100 people in the software company, 95 people doesn't know what is this RPA tools. If you go and ask anybody who are already working professionals in software industry, hey, do you know what is RPA? They'll say no, what is that? If you say, hey, do you know what is UiPath? They'll say no, because these all the tools are like came very recently into the market, and these become very popular and success, and many projects are in the pipeline, but there are no proper developers, no consultants, no proper people are available in the market, guys. Okay, understood. So yeah, so these are all the different advantages, and even we have even some disadvantages also we have to discuss, guys. The first one is no updates, no human dependency, no decision making. Okay, so what does it mean, no updates? For example, we have implemented, Gmail automation, guys. Gmail automation. So we asked robot to click on compose button to send a new email, to click here to go to the profile, to click here to access all different Google products, and to click here to go and check on the sent items. But what happened suddenly? You know, they have updated all the features. Then how robot can able to identify, and how robot can able to work like normally, guys? As human being, what are all the changes got happened, but how robot knows that each and every option they have changed? Okay, if it is changed also, no problem, again we can retrain, and we can do the automation. But if they keep on coming up with changes, it's very hard, very tough job to implement the automation in that environment, right? And no dependency, no decision making, which means there is a process. Total 100 steps are there. At 51st step, they are saying that here definitely human being should take the decision. Then only we will go to the 52nd step. Or when that human being will take the decision. If that guy is on long leave, and for almost 6 to 7 hours, the ticket or the processes keep on waiting, that guy is not taking the decision, then what is the use in implementing this automation, guys? No decision making, no human dependency should be there, no human should be involved. Such kind of repetitive manual tasks only we can able to automate. From first step to last step, everything should be placed, everything should be, in line, and data should be there. Then only we can automate, right? Understood, guys? Even there are like so many, we'll discuss like one by one in the coming classes. And next one, so advantages, disadvantages, definition, and different industries, what it is nowadays using this RPA. Right. So first of all, guys, banking industries, and then insurance industries, and then retail industries, manufacturing, healthcare, e-commerce, logistics, oil and gas companies, telecom. Okay. So all these different industries nowadays, they are implementing these automations, guys. Okay. What are the different automations we have in real time? Excel automation, web automation, PDF automation, image automation, desktop automation, basic automation, Citrix, email, Word, database connections. You can connect database. You can do ERP automations. You can do service now automations. Okay. You can do recordings. All these different automations we do have available. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Now, so many people thought like these RPA tools are nothing but the testing tools. But guys, nowhere there is no connection between the testing and automation tool. This RPA automation tool, are we doing any testing here, guys? No. We are doing some automation wherein already the application is in live. Already people are working on this existing application from long time. So they're just, they're just doing the repetitive task on the same application from long time. What we are doing, we are understanding that business process. We are training those set of steps to the robot and we are implementing the automation. So it's a simple development tool, guys. It's an automation development drag and drop tool wherein low code, no code, no coding knowledge is required. Okay. No coding knowledge is required, guys, for this learning purpose. It's a simple drag and drop automation tool. No coding knowledge is required. Okay. And pre-certifications. And it's an open source application to learn. Okay. Right. And guys, RPA versus testing tools. So many people thought like these are the testing tools, guys, but no, there is no connection. You know, right? What are the different testing applications are there? ETL, UFT, Selenium with Java, automation. Okay. Manual testing, automation testing, sandbox, white box, black box. So many testing applications are there. But what are the limitations of those testing? Only it can test whatever the test cases you have written, whatever the developers has developed, they will develop based on the sample test input data and they will check whether is it working as per the requirement or not. That's it. Very limitations are there. But for this RPA, no limitations, guys. It can automate like anything. See, even in automations also, in testing itself, there is an automation from long back, more than 15-20 years. In Excel, we have macros. There is nothing but automation. In SAP, we have automation. There are like already we have already so many automations are there. But why these RPA automation tools are trending like anything? Because no limitations. It can automate, it can integrate with any application. It can automate like any application, anything. That's why in short time, these tools become very popular and successful tools in the market. Okay, right. So guys, official website of UiPath, w.uipath.com. Okay, let's access this and let's get some knowledge on what is this UiPath and how the application looks like and how to get access, and let's do some small program as well. Okay, www.uipath.com. Okay, see, as I have told you, nowadays even we have this concept called agentic agents. Nowadays, now what I am telling you, even robots cannot take the decisions, right? Human beings should take decision. But nowadays, with these agents, even agents can able to decisions like a human being also. Okay. See here by industry, how many industries? Banking industry, healthcare, insurance, public sector, manufacturing. Okay. So many industries nowadays using this automation. Okay, high tech, insurance, life sciences, retail, manufacturing, public sector, telecom. Okay, and they have given some successful stories as well here. And then department, how many departments are using different technologies, different departments, IT department, finance and accounting, HR, legal, contact center, supply chain, testing department. Okay, and by technologies, what are the different technologies we can integrate this UiPath? Okay, so see here, coded agents, SAP, Microsoft, LangGraph, Cloud, AWS, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Workday. We can integrate with all these applications, guys. You can automate like anything. Okay, right. And this is about the platform. Explore the platform, view all products. Right. Okay. So see here, guys, there are like so many products are there in UiPath. Now, what are the different products we are going to learn here? UiPath Orchestrator, UiPath Studio, UiPath Robot. These are the three basic mandatory and prerequisite tools to learn about remaining all. Okay, these are like very traditional automation. From starting, these three are the very basic components: Studio, Robot, Orchestrator. But along with this, now what I'm going to teach you all, other than these three, I'm going to teach you UiPath. I'm going to teach you all UiPath Assistant, UiPath Automation Hub, as I have already included in the curriculum, and UiPath. Uh, where is this document understanding? On a high level, I'll give you what is process mining, task mining, guys, and I'll explain you integration services and orchestrator, studio, robot, assistant, and automation hub. Okay. Um, right. Platform. Explore the platform. Okay. Right. So guys, if you observe, see here, try UiPath free. What does it mean? As I am telling you, it is a free of cost, right? You can download and install and you can learn. Okay. So just go through the website today and just see here. We have like multiple options like documentation, community, academy, customer portal, so many things to learn. From this documentation, each and every topic, we can learn in UiPath. Okay. See here, each and every document, every point is available here. So see here, this is platform, this is discover, this is automate, and this is operate. They have categorized into four different parts, guys. Platform, discovery phase, automation, and operation. In terms of this discovery, I'm going to teach you automation hub. Okay. In terms of platform, I'm going to teach you all about on a high level, everything I'll teach here. Okay. In terms of automate, I'm going to teach you document understanding, assistant, studio, robot, integration services. Okay. And activities. And in terms of operate, I'm going to teach you all orchestrator. Okay. And the remaining also on a high level, I'll give you, but not in depth. In the coming 25 days, I'm going to cover all these points. Is it clear so far, everyone? Any question? And from here, community. If you are a Java developer or .NET or testing or front end, if you get any doubt, where you will search guys generally, where you will search generally, hmm? You know, right? Stack Overflow. We used to post and search our queries in Stack Overflow generally, right? But in this UiPath, we have a best website and application called UiPath community is there, UiPath forum is there, forum.uipath.com, wherein you can go and you can search your queries and you can get the solutions. Okay, so you have the product knowledge completely, product documentation is there. Okay, along with that, you have the forum wherein all the developers from the global, you can able to come and see from here. Okay, you can able to interact with them, you can search, you can talk to them. Okay, so this is about the, and this is academy guys, wherein we are going to become a professional certified people from this website. Okay, clear? Any questions, anyone so far? See here, from here, we are going to become certified professionals. Right. See, these are all the different courses available in UiPath for free of cost. I'm going to guide you, recommend you which certification you have to kickstart. Okay, which are all recommended, which are all we are going to do for free of cost. And now let me open the application guys. So this is the UiPath Studio. Okay, this is the UiPath Assistant, and there is another application called Orchestrator. Okay, see, this is nothing but orchestrator. These three are the very basic products components in UiPath. To learn all other products, first you have to get some knowledge and hands-on on these three products: Studio, Assistant, and Orchestrator. Okay, so first let's have a look on Studio. What is the Studio? What we are going to do in this UiPath Studio only? We are going to create a new project. We are going to build our robots, train the robots. Got it? For example, demo September batch. Okay, I've just created a new name, new project with proper naming convention, right? Create. Right. So guys, once you create a project from the start page, you can able to see our project name demo September. Okay. So what is the meaning of a simple drag and drop tool, guys? I told you, know, it's a simple drag and drop automation tool. No coding knowledge is required. For example, I want to display Hello World program. Hello World. Every developer, every trainer, technical will start with Hello World only. No, in our program also we'll start with Hello World. So what I have told you, we have to drag and drop some activities. What is the meaning of activity? See, there are like so many activities are there here, right? As I'm telling you, we can integrate with any of the applications, right? For example, ServiceNow. I want to integrate with ServiceNow. See, there are activities related to the ServiceNow. I want to integrate with SAP. See, there are so many SAP related activities are there here. You can integrate with SAP. I want to integrate with Salesforce. See, Salesforce activities are there. See, Salesforce activities. I want to integrate with Jira ticketing tool, Jira application. See, Jira. I want to integrate with GitHub repository. I want to integrate with Google Maps. See, Google Maps are there. I want to integrate Google Vision, Greenhouse. See, so many third-party applications are here. Amazon, Act, Amazon Web Services, Azure, Asana, App Events. Okay, Discord, Dropbox, Ignite, Facebook. You can integrate with Facebook. Okay, and iContact, Intercom, Gina. Okay, even some of applications we may not even know also. You can integrate LinkedIn. You can automate LinkedIn, Microsoft applications. Okay, Oracle NetSuite, Oracle, PayPal, Pipecon, Miro, Mock. Okay, these all are the different applications where you can going to integrate and you can perform automations, guys. Shopify, Stripe, Snowflake, SugarCell, Trello, Twilio, VMware, Zoom, WhatsApp. Okay, Zoom, WhatsApp business. You can integrate, automate WhatsApp also, guys. You can make a calls to the customers, people. See here, if you use Twilio, from this Twilio, you can send SMSs. Okay, you can make a call. See, call made, make a call. You can send a message. You can retrieve all the list of the your log also. You can integrate like anything, guys. No limitations. Here, Raghu, for example, whatever activity I'm looking for, that activity is not available. No problem. You can create your own activity also in UiPath. That is called custom activity. Okay. So first, let me drag and drop sequence. Simple drag and drop tool means drag and drop. So drag and drop. I'm dragging from here and I'm dropping to here. That is nothing but simple drag and drop. So I want to display hello world message. I took an activity called message box. What it will do, it will display a message with specified text and buttons. So what it is telling you, the text must be quoted. I want to display hello world. That hello world you have to written in double quotes. That's it. Now what I want to do, I want to run the bot. That's it. Go and run. Okay. Did I write any line of code, guys, here? Respond. Did you write any line of code? See guys, we got a message, no? Hello world. Hello world. Okay. If you want to do the same hello world program in Java, what we have to do, guys? How many lines of code you have to write for hello world program? See guys, public class main, static void main, system.out.println. Okay. If you have to write these 5 lines of code to get this output, but in Java, in UiPath, you don't need to write any line of code. Okay. And for example, in any another language, for example, in Python also, you have to write the coding only. No, print hello world means it will display. But how about other? If you want to make any complex program, again, you have to write the code, right? Right. And now I want to type something. I want to type something on a notepad that, hello everyone, welcome to RPA World Trainings. So to type something, how to train the bot? Okay. For example, see here, guys, type into. If you want to type something, we have an activity called type into. Okay. Once if you take that activity, it can help you in typing something. For example, I want to click something. I want to click something here on the compose button. Then what we have to do, we have an activity called click. Like that, there are so many activities are there. you have to learn about all these activities and get some hands-on. Learning UiPath is nothing but learning the subject, learning the properties of activity, at what time you have to use which activity. That's it. You will become a certified professional. Okay. So now I am looking for the activity called type into. Okay. So guys, where I want to type on the notepad? No. So indicate where you want to type and what you want to type. Text must be quoted again. So I want to type hello everyone. Welcome to RPA Vault trainings. Today is our first free demo session batch. Please join tomorrow for the second free demo session. Okay, that's it. Now I want to run this bot. Then what will happen? First of all, it will give you the message box and then it will write this. See how it will write. Okay, hello world. Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Wall Training. See, today is our first free demo session. Please join tomorrow for the second free demo session. Okay, now I want to click something, guys. Where I want to click on the note on the compose button. So what we have to do, which activity we have to take, guys? Click activity. So indicate on screen where you have to click, where you want to click. I want to click on compose button. So I am indicating the compose button, guys. Okay. Now, if you run the bot, what will happen, guys? Now it will perform all these actions one by one, one by one, one by one. This is nothing but automation. This is nothing but training the bot. Okay. Right. So now I'm going to run the bot. What will it will do? First it will display hello world and then it will type something on notepad and then it will click on Gmail application. And if you want to do some calculation also, it will do some calculations. Okay. See, it started running. First we got message box and then now it is going to type everything on the notepad. Okay. And now see guys, it will open the compose button on the Google Gmail and then it click on compose. Now I want to do some calculation, guys. On calculator, I want to make some calculation. Even robot can do these calculations also very easily. Okay. For that, what we have to do, we have a concept called recording. Okay. App web recorder. So I want to make simple calculation that 99 plus 11. So I have indicated 9. Okay. See, automatically the workflow is getting generated by it took the click activity and it took the 9 also automatically. Now again 9, second 9. Okay. Plus 1. 89 plus 11 equals to. That's it. I'm good. Now save and exit. See guys, what happened? It created the workflow itself. That much flexibility is there in automation. Okay. Now if you run this bot, what will happen? It will perform the same actions on the bot, on the calculator application. Okay. So like that, we have so many options, you know, functions are there in UiPath we are going to learn. Okay, clear? So this is how the user interface looks like, and these are the so many activities available which we are going to learn one by one. And how about Power Automation? Okay, let me open Power Automation from my laptop. So this is Power Automation desktop, guys. In the last classes, we are going to learn something in Power Automation as well. In the meanwhile, I'll open Power Automation Cloud as well. Mm, Okay, in tomorrow's demo, I'll show you how this Power Automation desktop looks like, guys. Okay. Now let's discuss this Power Automation Cloud. Okay, this is Power Automation Cloud wherein connected with the web. This Power Automation desktop is nothing but, looks like a desktop application. Okay. Okay, let me try with, so I will open this login and I'll show you that application. And see guys, this is Microsoft Power Automation Cloud, wherein we are going to learn about what is scheduled, what is automated, and what is instant. In UiPath, we have sequence, flowchart, state machines, right? In Power Automation, we have automation, automated, instant, and scheduled, and how to check all your existing flows and all, So we can do automations with this cloud and desktop as well, guys. Okay, right, right. So yeah. Kusma, any questions? Kusma, I saw your message in WhatsApp. Okay, so she's asking how much of package. So guys, coming to the package, what I can say that generally for Java developer, .NET or any other technologies, if you have 5 years of experience, your package might be 9 to 10 lakhs or less than 10 lakhs or 10 to 11 lakhs. But in your path, you can expect into 3 years of experience into three you can expect, which means 5 years means you can minimum expect 15 lakhs. If you have a 10 years experience means your package should be 30 lakhs. Okay, that much of huge demand is there in the market now because it is a consultant job, not a developer job. Consultant means you are the only person directly interacting with the client end to end, from scratch to end, which means understanding the requirement gathering, preparing the documentation, doing the development, testing, deployment, monitoring, hypercare, support, everything, right? Change request, everything. That's the reason companies are ready to pay you high salary jobs for RPA automation consultants. Okay, clear, Kusuma? Any more questions?
Yep.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, next, Aniket. Hi, Aniket. Any questions, Aniket? Okay, thank you. Hi, Anthony. How's the session, Anthony? Any questions to you?
Yeah, I have one question. Does it require to learn in the coding section like Java? Is there any additional thing that we need to learn?
No need, because because it's a simple drag and drop automation tool wherein you don't need to write any lines of code. In case if you want to learn or if you want to know anything, that is recommended is Microsoft Visual Basics VB scripting or C sharp is recommended or required. If you don't know also, no problem. If you already know, it will be added advantage because as I have told you, wherein when you are get a situation that you have to create your own custom activity, at that time you have to write some lines of code by to create your own activities. No, at that time C sharp or VB scripting is recommended. If you don't know also, no problem, I can help you in how to getting the knowledge on those basics things. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for joining the session. Basant, any question, Basant? You are not audible. You unmuted, but you are not audible. Okay, next, Chetan. Hi, Chetan. Next, Gautam. Sai Gautam. Hi, Gautam. Any question?
Yes, sir. What about the freshers job opportunity?
Your voice is very low, man. So sorry. Can you please talk a bit loud?
Mm.
Hello, Gautam.
Yes,
You
sir.
are
Am
not.
I audible?
Yes, you are audible now. Thank you. Yeah, please go
Yeah.
ahead.
What about the freshers job opportunities?
Yeah, so there are like even more opportunities for freshers as well. And even I have collaborated with many companies wherein to provide some internship trainings, internships, and some freelancing opportunities as well for freshers as well. So if you go to my LinkedIn page, wherein I have posted so many opportunities even for freshers as well. Okay, there are opportunities are there. I'm not saying there is no opportunity for freshers. There are opportunities as well as there, but compared to experienced people, less opportunities for freshers. But definitely there is opportunity. You have to look properly. Definitely, you can take some support. You need some guide, mentor, definitely who is going to help you in getting the job on RP as a fresher. Okay,
Yeah, thank you, sir.
thank you. Yes, Pravalika, hi.
Uh, Actually, in some interviews, I have noticed that they are asking about C sharp or any Java language that you can give
Mm,
for the test.
yes,
Mm.
that's why I'm telling. If you know C sharp or VB scripting, it's an added advantage. If you don't know, also no problem. I can teach up in covering those basic things in C sharp and .NET also, like VB scripting in our classes. I'll share some notes. I'll help you in getting those, technical things in, and I'll provide you the shortcuts as well. Okay.
And I just want to understand where the C sharp and JavaScript will be used in UiPath. As we are doing drag and drop process in all the automations like Excel automation, everything, where
Mm.
this C sharp will be used.
For example, let me share my screen. You able to see my screen?
Yes.
Now there is a two lines of code.
Mm.
Now I want to get only the second, this particular string from the second line in the total string.
Mm.
Then what we should do, we have to perform some string manipulations. First of all, you have to read this string and store it in a variable, and then you have to split, right? You have to split, and then
Mm.
you have to, based on the gaps, you have to split, and then you have to read each and every character, letter, word, and then you will get this second store in a variable, right? So to perform all
Yes.
those basic things, we need some language. It's not only like VB scripting or C sharp. You can, if you are good at Python, you can write Python code. If you are good at writing Java, any language, VB scripting, .NET, anything you can write, and we can invoke that code here. See here, we have an activity called
Mm.
invoke method, invoke PowerShell scripting, invoke VB scripting.
Mm.
Okay, so like that, invoke Python method, invoke Java method. Like that, you can invoke like anything, any application. Whatever you are
Okay.
comfortable, we can utilize that. You can use that.
Okay.
Yeah,
But it is not mandatory to involve it, right?
it's not like mandatory, but if you know, it will be added advantage to clear the interview. In not in all interviews they'll ask you, do you know
Mm.
.NET or VB scripting or C sharp? If they
Mm.
have some scope in creating the new activities, then only they'll ask such kind of questions.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Pravalika. Thanks for joining the session.
Yeah,
Next,
thank you.
Kumar. Hey, Kumar. Kumar,
Hi,
yes.
Raghu.
You
Hi,
have to
Raghu.
come, Kumar.
Uh,
Hi.
uh,
Yes, Kumar.
Nothing I'm just working in RPA Blue Prism. So I just want to switch into UiPath developer role. In Blue Prism, currently we are in support role actually.
Hmm.
So how it will be just thinking.
Right. If you know, as of now, there is less market in automation anywhere and Blue Prism compared to UiPath. So out of my classes, all the students nowadays joining already working professionals.
Mm-hmm.
So they're already working on Blue Prism and automation anywhere, but they're not getting any single calls also to change the job, to switch the job. That's why,
Mm-hmm.
because there is no jobs. If you are working,
Yeah.
like you have 5, 6 years of experience, also no calls.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason, like I can help you in teaching this your path to get hands-on and to change your existing experience from Blue Prism to your path. I'll share some projects with you and I'll explain end-to-end activities with which we have used for the project completion, so that you can explain the same in the interview to grab the offer on your path.
Yeah, I mean, you mentioned, right, certifications we can complete
Mm,
certification.
yes.
So that certifications, how it can we need to purchase that. I
So
mean,
we have both free and paid certifications are there. If you are
okay,
already working professional, I recommend you to go for the paid one. We have associate level exams are there, professional exams are there.
yeah,
Associates, like more than 12 to 14 certifications are there. In that one, 7 are associate, 7 are professional. All associate exam costs is $150. All professional exam costs are 300 plus dollars. Total $354 you should pay, which means 31,000 INR. So as you are already working professional, you can able to bear that. But when for the freshers or who are not having any job, if you ask them to pay 31,000 for certificate, it will be burden for them. That's why I don't recommend them for paid certification. First, they can go and do the free certification, and once they get some hands-on, they get the job. After 1 year, they can go for the paid certification. But for you, I recommend is paid certification.
Okay, okay, okay. That's all.
Yeah. So if you need any coupons, anything, I can help you in providing the coupons for the discounts. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see here, we have an academy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Community, docs, solutions, technology, agentic. So from this academy.uipath.com, we are going to do the free certifications and paid certifications. Okay.
Okay.
So here we have an option called certifications. If you click here, see Agentic Automation Associate, Developer Associate, Developer
Mm-hmm.
Professional, Business Analyst, Specialized AI, Professional,
Okay.
Automate Solution Architect, Testing, Infrastructure Management, Standalone, like that. Okay. Now, for
Okay.
example, I want to schedule this Developer Professional. This is recommended for everyone, for all the developers. Schedule your
Mm-hmm.
exam. If you schedule your exam and see here, the cost of that exam is 354 $300 plus $54 tax.
Okay.
మొగల్ మొగల్ ఒక్క 1 minute మొగల్ ఎండింగ్ డెమో ఎండింగ్ లో ఉన్నా అవగానే ఫోన్ చేస్తా. So here you will get all the doubts. Actually, I'm not able to log in with my account. So here these are all
Mm-hmm.
the different certifications, and so it will cost around $354. Okay, 354 USD to INR. It will cost around
Mm-hmm.
31,000, but I'll give you 11,000 discount, so you can write the same exam for 20K. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any more questions? Anyone?
And
Or-
one more doubt is that
Hmm.
basically everyone will face in scenario-based questions only. Theoretical questions they can answer, however, but the main thing is scenario-based question only. How can we tackle this?
So it will come with all your experience, like how
Mm,
much of practice you are doing on different concepts like Excel,
mm,
PDF, image, database, email. If you cover all around the topics, at least first of all, whatever the question the interviewer are asking,
mm,
and based on you can understand the requirement first of all, and then you have to build the efficient solution. See, first of all, we cannot predict what that question will come from the
yes.
interviewer, technical person, but at least we can understand. And whenever, if anyone asked you, first you understand and you repeat the same question. Hey, please
Mm,
correct me if I am wrong. This is what you are asking. So
mm,
if you repeat that, then at least they will get some confidence. Okay, at least Pravalika have some ability skills that she is able to understand the question what I am asking. And then
mm,
whatever they are asking, whatever the solution they're expecting, we may not able to give the correct solution, because
mm,
for every scenario there are like 3 to 4 possible solutions will be there in real time.
yes.
Anyway you can implement, but whatever they're expecting you cannot say the same. Whatever you are telling, that is also correct, but it is different solution. So you can say like, however you're expecting, I may not able to tell the same solution, but I'll try to give you the efficient solution. Maybe this is also one of the possible solution, that
Mm,
if it is related to Excel, concentrate on where you are getting the input, where he's asking, he or she asking you to process it, where you have to prepare the final report. So if they're telling you you will get the report on Excel, Okay, first you have to read the data on Excel. Then we have Excel activities, workbook activities. So first we have to read the data, store it in a data table, and apply some filters by taking filter data table activity like that. In terms of technically and practically how we will implement, you should create that much of a comfortable, in explaining the solution to them at least. And you can say we will implement all best practices by taking log message, by creating the proper naming convention of high level project name, low level project name, proper naming convention for creating variable and arguments, right? You should
Mm.
say all these points, then at least you'll get some covered. Instead of directly giving blank faces, you have to cover all these at least, and you will get all the solutions by doing the practice only. Only attending the classes also may not helpful in clearing the interview, because even though you theoretically good, scenario based questions also good, but how about system test? Even that
Yeah.
is also, we cannot predict what type of question they'll ask at the time of interview. You have to clear that. So to get all these things, we are making this beautiful content for all of my students for the 45 days to get cleared certification, attending the sessions, getting the subject, and getting some hands-on experience on every concept. Then only they can able to clear the system test.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Kusma, over to you.
Yeah. I hear that RE framework related questions are very frequent in the interviews. So, would like to know how much RE framework related concepts are covering in this training, like
I
end to
have
end we are
explained,
covering.
no? See here. I don't know whether you are there or not at the time of
Yeah, we spent
explanation.
2 days on it.
Not only 2 days, see here, our core curriculum, here, advanced concept, advanced concept, RE framework overview, with Q, without Q, 3 days, and then end-to-end project explanation, 4 days, and couple of sample projects I have told you. So maximum 5 to 6 days will completely discuss about RE framework, end-to-end project explanation, and 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 examples completely on RE framework only. Okay, because each and every point in RE framework, like what are the different XAML files, what is a transaction item, get transaction status, and what is initialization, and init all application, init all setting, how we will use each and every point you should know, then only we can able to use it in the real time, right? So we'll spend more time,
Yeah.
quality time on RE framework and orchestrator and your path. Okay, until unless you'll
Okay.
get some hands-on. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, guys, are we good? Any more questions, anyone? Okay.
One last question.
Yeah,
Sorry.
please. No worries.
Yeah.
Feel free to ask any questions.
And document understanding will be covered in basic level or like
Advanced.
how advanced one. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, that's
And
thank you.
even not only whatever I mentioned, for example, here,
Mm.
Raghu, I want to learn some, something like this particular concept. If you give
Mm.
me, definitely I can help you in explaining that as well. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Like web APIs or
Web API is like normal API automation, get put, post, delete
mm.
method. I'll explain by taking HTTP request and deserialize JSON activity. Other
Mm.
than that, if you even if you want to know any trigger, API based trigger, anything, and from orchestrator also, I'll explain.
Yeah.
My sessions are like guys from very beginners, freshers. Even they don't know what is how your path studio looks like also. But if you are already working professional, you should please bear with me sometime for the basic sessions, because you'll be feel bored. Like here ago already we know how is your path, what is your path studio looks like and all. Because my sessions are for the beginners, for the people who doesn't have the job. My complete objective is to get them placed with any company with proper package. Okay, clear?
Mm. Yeah.
Right. Okay, please join the second free demo session tomorrow morning. Okay, at the same time 8 a.m. And from day after tomorrow, our actual session will start. If any of your friends, colleagues, and you're looking for the training, please share this meeting recording today. In the same group, I will join the recording link. Okay, meeting demo recording link. And if you want to contact me for any more questions, please feel free to ping me at my number 814-223388. Okay.
Actual timings is 7 or 7:30.
So
DDT.
it depends on like how many people are joining the sessions. Once joined, I'll take the poll. Maximum 7:30. If they're all comfortable at 7 a.m., we'll move to 7 a.m. Otherwise 7:30.
Okay.
Existing batch actually 7 a.m. we started. Before all the batches we used to start at 7:30. But it all depends how many people join, how many are willing to join at that time.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you all. Have a great day. Thanks for joining your
Thank
session
you.
in
Thank you so much.
RPA all for your valuable time. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. అయిపోయింది నాన్న